Yo, what's good guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make a cup giver. And I won't be showing how to make it how when you put in the machine, it turns into that certain drink. I'll do that, oops. I'll do that in a future video soon. So, yeah. I'll do that if this video gets 1 like. I just want 1 like, please. I just made this account and I just want to just get 1 like. Just 1 like for, you know what? Actually, I probably won't even get any likes. So if this gets like 1 view, I'll make a video on how to make the drinks. So first, what you want to start off with is a cup. So I'm going to insert a cylinder. I'm going to move it up and I'm going to rotate it like this and basically make a cup. So do that and then expand it a little bit just like that. Transparency to like that, and then material is going to be glass. I don't know how that's already done. Then I duplicate it, make it a little bit taller so that it can get the roof of the thing. A little bit smaller, like that. And then you want to go to Model, Navigate, select both parts, and then turn it to a union, and it will. Dang, I know that's gonna happen. Hold on, let me move this up a little bit. Now navigate, and then there we go. Alright, now we have our cup. So we're gonna group this and rename this to empty cup. Then you want to insert a part into the union. Oops. Then you want to cover up the cup. You want to cover up the cup with the part that you just inserted. Just like this, fully covering it like that. Then you change the transparency to 1. Make sure to anchor the part too. I keep forgetting to anchor it. Then you rename the empty part to empty cup. You don't have to rename the model to empty cup, you just name it whatever you want, but I'm just going to name it cup for now. Then you want to insert a tool into workspace and rename it to empty cup. Then you want to duplicate the union and insert it into the tool, but delete the empty cup inside the tool and rename the union inside the tool empty cup. There's so many empty cups, but yeah, like that. No, actually, no, don't name it empty cup. Rename it handle. Sorry, you gotta rename it handle. I'm gonna move it out of here, just like that. I'm gonna move the empty cup tool to server storage. Then make sure the handle doesn't have can collide and anchor on, because if it does, then you're just gonna be stuck in one position and it's just not gonna work. You won't be able to move. So then you want to insert a folder. It's replicated storage and rename it to events. And then inside the events folder, you want to insert a remote event and rename the remote event Give. Then you want to insert a script into ServerScript service. Sorry for the Discord noises. I will leave the scripts in the description below because I'm not a great scripter, so I just typed it and then put it into my thing like that. And then after you do that, you wanna go to starter pack and insert a local script. This script will also be in the description below. That and boom. I also forgot to go back to the model and insert a click detector into there so that you can click it. Sorry. Then I think that's it. Oh, and also I'll leave a plugin in description, the tool grip editor by GetMouse. This is where you can use it to face the direction that you want to hold the tool. So I was holding it sideways right now, but now I'm going to change it to frontwards. So now if I join, it should work. Go, click, and boom, you have it. And you can get multiple of them, you know, it's good, works. And like I said in the beginning, I will make, if this video gets 1 view, or 1 like, I will make a video on how to use the cup, how to make the cups get drinks and stuff and turn it to other drinks and mix them, you know, and stuff. And yeah. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.